welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Friday. We got a video on Friday. I'm doing my best. I told you guys on Monday I'm doing my best. So today I thought, you know what? I see those girls on YouTube all the time doing undecorate with me videos. So I thought, why not? I want to get rid of my patriotic decor, and I want to bring in a whole new look to my kitchen. And as you can tell, this kitchen is a big mess, a big one. I have guests, I got Angela, I got Dad, the house is in and out with people. I mean, it's fun. They're all out doing something else right now. They're all out enjoying the weather. So I'm here by myself, and I thought, why not get to cleaning and get to redecorating? So I'm gonna bring you along for the ride. So what I'm gonna do is, I brought my basket. I use this basket here to move stuff up and down from my storage unit, which is down in my storage unit, my storage area down in my basement. So I am going to flip the camera around and put all my patriotic decor in here so I can take it down to the basement and clean this place up and make it all fresh and a clean palette so that we could decorate. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around and let's get started. Hey my friends, can you guys believe I'm doing my first ever clean with me video? I mean, seriously. Okay, let me apologize off the bat because I didn't realize when I was filming that I had left my apron on. Yeah, when I wash dishes, I keep an apron on. I know, I don't want to get my shirt wet. Anyways, I am in a cleaning mode. The house is kind of empty. No one's really here. Angela was upstairs. She wasn't feeling well. She was lying down. And the kids and everybody else was out, so I finally got a chance to clean. And I really wanted to get the patriotic stuff out of the way. And I'm going to take the lemons out too. I might bring a little touch of lemon, but I don't think so. Okay guys, a lot of people are going to ask, what do I clean my sink with? And I use SOS pads. I totally like to scrub a kitchen, and yes, I do not use gloves. And I know a lot of you noticed my long nails. I got those crazy long nails, and they're all mine. And I'm sorry for having my back to you, but again, I'm just trying this whole cleaning video thing out. So you gotta leave me a comment down below and tell me if you actually like this kind of video. Oh my god, this was kind of nerve-wracking to make because I thought, will people enjoy it? But you guys leave me a comment down below and tell me what you really think. Okay, so this is what I put on my countertops. I get Mr. Clean and I dilute it with a little bit of water and a little bit of bleach because I really like to disinfect the countertops, especially now with germs and viruses and kids running around and everybody's touching the countertops. I want them extra clean. I know, bleach is not a thing, but it is for me. I love my bleach. What can I say? And I love to scrub things. Oh my god, that's me. I keep my jewelry everywhere. I come home from work or I'm out somewhere and then I put my jewelry, I just plop it on the countertops. I do this all the time.
Okay guys, so after I've cleaned off everything, I really want the sink to shine. So I always use spray away with paper towels just to get that extra shine in the sink, make it look extra pretty. I don't know, it makes me feel good. I think it always looks good that way when you do it this way. So I'm gonna change out my decor, but just for right now, I got this cute little pedestal and I put my Miss Myers soap. Oh, and right here in this little box, I keep my wax warmers and plugins. And I'm just refilling it because I've gone to Bath and Body Works and got a whole bunch of new plugins. And I'll show you how I do it, like that. So I added a new wax warmer.
Seen me clean the first time ever. I've never done a video like this ever, ever, ever. But you know what? Life is about coming out of your comfort zone, I guess. And I'm moving the table. So you saw me clean the table earlier. So now, before I get to this side, because I really want to take everything off, but I'm not going to do it on film because you guys know how to clean. We all know how to clean. What I want to do is make a little cute centerpiece and show you where my decor is going. And I think Monday we'll come back to this, but then I want to do some Christmas in July. I want to do at least a few Christmas in July videos because I love Christmas. I mean, what can I say? I'm sorry, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with Christmas. So I'm gonna go down to the storage unit. I brought the basket down. I still have a few more things to bring down. And I think I'm gonna take that shelf off. You know, the shelf that I've had there for a while, I'm definitely gonna take that off. But let me get some stuff together and let's make a cute little centerpiece. Okay guys, this is what I'm thinking. I have this really nice chippy white tray, round tray. I love this tray. I've had it for a very long time. I bought it, I'm pretty sure I bought it 2 Christmases ago when we were, Christmases ago, is that even a word? When we were down in Florida vacationing. So I bought it a couple years ago. If I can find something similar to it, which I'm sure I can, I will link it in my Amazon store. But I really like this tray. It's really, really nice. It's really chippy. And I put felt on it over here to save it from the table because I always put it on my kitchen table. Then I got a Ray Dunn pitcher. Oh, I don't know why it's glaring. It says drink on it. And I figured, you know what? I never use this. I mean, look, the tag is still on it. $16.99. I've had it for a while. I don't know why I haven't used it. Anyway, so I got this, and I think it's really cute. Gonna use that. I'm gonna put my napkins. This is how I like to keep my paper napkins because we dinner here, obviously. I like this little thing. I wish I could find more of these. And I would keep them. And then a little candle because, you know, I love my candles. And I'm gonna put my candle on this. But let me angle the camera down and let's make a even though you can't see me, I got these bushels. I got this one here, this greenery pick. They're from my local dollar store. I love them. They are totally the Hobby Lobby dupe. So obviously if you don't live in Canada and you can't go to Dollarama and find these, which we can find them all day long at Dollarama, then go to Hobby Lobby. And I think they're $6.99, and then with the 50, they always have them 50% off. You could do that. And I love using this faux greenery because seriously, it acts like a base, and you get so much use out of it. Then, if you've been following along, I did a shopping haul at Michael's, and I got some of these white daisies, and some yellow sunflowers. So what I'm gonna do is because my daisies are taller, I'm gonna put these in and directly in the middle. And then you kind of bend them so, you know, they're facing here and there, out and about. That's how I kind of like it. And you get more interest that way, and it makes it look more realistic. I hope you can see that. Then I want to use my sunflowers. So what I've done, I was kind of playing with it. I like they came really tight. I like to spread them out like that. And I've also bent the stem. You can see there I bent the stem. And I'm just gonna loosely place this right in the middle. So try and fit it in as far down as you can. Hold on, we're having some difficulties. Get this. Now you just play with it and you bring sunflowers around. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? Looks adorable, right? Maybe we'll just move it around a bit. I like this side a little bit better. Okay, so I like this side a little bit better. I think it looks better. I never can do arrangements backwards. I try, guys, but I can't do them backwards. So I love using the faux flowers because you can really, when they're wired like this, you can really, you know, just get them to do anything you want. I think I'm gonna have this one hang down. I think that'll look cute. I'm kind of playing with this on film. Yeah, I think that looks cute. Okay. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. I mean, you got a glimpse on how I cleaned. And we did that cute little centerpiece together. So it was like a double kind of thing. And there was some decorating, not much, let's be honest. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing weekend. I hope you do something that you totally love. Do something that brings you the most amount of joy. You know, call your family, call your friends, tell them how much you love them, tell them how much you care about them. Because in times like this, you don't know what the other person is going through or how they're taking the situation or how they're feeling. So make sure you reach out. Speaking of reach out, oh my God, I forgot to tell you guys. So I asked you all for prayers for my friend Susan, for our friend Susan. Let's call her our friend Susan because she's been part of our YouTube, you know, friends for a long, long time. Well, guys, listen, prayer totally works. And I'm not kidding about this. She got such great news from the doctor. And now she's got another test. But I'm telling you, I have been declaring it for her for years now. And I know that she will be cancer-free. I just know it. I know it in my heart. I don't know why I know it. I just do. I just know it. Maybe God speaks to me in mysterious ways. But thank you for praying for her. It really meant a lot to me. And it meant a lot to her too. So I just want to thank you guys for that. I'm going to leave you because you all know that I love to ramble. But before I leave you, I'm going to show you how cute this looks on the kitchen table. It is adorable. It is actually adorable. So there you go. You know, find some stuff in your house, get one or two new things, and boom, you got yourself a whole new look. I'm really excited to decorate with these sunflowers. My wheels are turning. I really want to make an amazing sunflower chalkboard. That's what I think I'm going to do over the weekend. If I do, I will film it because I know some people love it and some people don't. So it might just be a pop-up video just to music, just to see what I come up with. If I don't, because the kids are running around and everybody else is running around in here, you'll see it when I show the kitchen. Have a fantastic, fantastic weekend. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for everything, your comments, your love, your support. And remember, everything in the shop is free shipping the entire month of July. So if you've ever had your eye on anything, we have free shipping. So Bella D Designs is linked down below. Bella D Designs Co. is linked down below. So you can go there, go check out the website, which I want to revamp that website. But anyways, that's a story for another day. Okay, guys, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Mwah! Bye, guys. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.